Hey, my scrapping friends, welcome. Happy National Scrapbook Day. Today I'm want to come on here and let you guys know about something I'm going to be doing. So yes, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and this is a project. This is for National Scrapbook Day, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make this album. Yay! I will be doing it during a live class today. Or not today, I'm sorry. A live class tomorrow at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, I will be going live on YouTube with you guys at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. I will be teaching you how to make this project. And it is a perfect 6x6 folio album. So yay! I hope you guys will join me. This is going to be so much fun. Yes. And I am going to be using the So Happy Together collection by Simple Stories. That's a collection that I will be using. All right. And I will be doing the decorating with you guys, so it may be in a few parts. But tomorrow at 4 o'clock, we will be constructing the album, okay? And then the decorating ones will come later on, okay? I do have an offer for you guys. You can purchase the National Scrapbook Day Project at $3.97. That's for the cut and guide, written instructions, and the process videos. That's inside my box.com. You don't have to purchase this. I will be giving the measurements out during the live class. This is just for ones who would like to have the cut and guide and the written instructions and the process videos, okay? So yes, I will be giving out measurements during class. I won't spend a whole lot of time on the measurements because I want to spend more time on teaching you how to make it and decorate it. So this is just, for whoever wants to purchase. I'm offering it right now at a low price, $3.97. You don't have to, just totally up to you. Now I am offering a bundle deal, okay? You get this project and this project. This is the Home Together Folio album for $8.97. Okay, $8.97 is the price that you can pick up both these tutorials for a low price of $8.97. Now, when we get done with National Scrapbook Day, this will all go to regular price. Okay, but for right now, I'm offering these two things at a lower price for National Scrapbook Day. This is a project that I will be teaching you. I won't be teaching you this one, but you will, if you purchase it, you will have the process videos that show you how to construct this, and the written and the cut and guide. Okay, so just totally up to you. If you would like to have the cut and guide for tomorrow's class, yes. You can go to my website, scrappinitup.com, okay, and purchase it. It's just totally, up to you, okay. I still do have my tutorial club open. It is $9.99 a month. You have access to over 50 tutorials inside of there. And I put my Facebook Lives classes in there. All my tutorials. There's tutorials in there that you've never even seen before. And it is $9.99 a month. You'll never pay a higher price, no matter what. You're locked in at $9.99 a month for as long as I do this. If something happens to me, then it would go away, or if you decide to leave me, okay? But my tutorial club is the $9.99 a month, okay? You cannot pass this up. My tutorial club will be closing when we get done with the National Scrapbook Day project. This is going to close. You will not be able to join this anymore. I'm closing it. Okay. So as long as you stay with me, you're locked in at $9.99 a month. And like I said, I do have over 50 tutorials in there. I add, like last month, I added, what was it, 6 different tutorials in there. You know, you can make 6 different albums. So you guys, don't let that pass you up. $9.99 a month. Okay, guys? All right. You guys want to see the project? Yay, yay, yay. So I will be teaching you how to make this box. It's just made out of cardstock. You can make it out of chipboard, totally up to you. Okay, but I just made mine out of chipboard, something simple, easy, and quick. And it holds the album nice. I did use magnets. And yeah. So this holds the album. Here is the album I'm going to be teaching you guys. This is a 6x6 Perfect Folio album. This is our National Scrapbook Day Project. I will be doing a live class with you guys tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So I hope to see you guys. I hope you would be able to join me. So you open this up like this. You have a slanted pocket here that holds some photo mats. Okay. And then this side opens up. And there is the scrapped, kind of like a, quilting. I taught you guys how to do this, probably 2 years ago. I taught you how to do this. And that opens up. And then this opens up. And then that opens up. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. I hope you guys will make this project with me. It will hold 50 photos. And this one here will hold 70 photos. And I did do a share video in there on this one, so I will put the link down below to where you can go look at this one too. Okay, but yeah, this one's already up on YouTube, so go check it out, guys. Then we're gonna have a magnet here, and I forgot my magnet. We have a little waterfall. Pretty darn cute. So this side opens up. And again, we have this side mirrors the other side. So that opens up. And then that opens up. So yeah, I will be teaching you guys how to make this tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So then we have a little pocket here. And you have a little booklet. And I will tell you, you won't have hardly any scraps left over. I utilized all the scraps. So that opens up. That folds down. And then this opens up and you have a place to put some photo mats. And then that closes. And then that holds that all nice and tidy. So there's that one. And this is what I would be teaching you. I'm using Craft Tex. You would need glue. Here I just use cardstock for the sides. And you could use your cardstock tie-back combo. You could use cardstock too. Your project may not last as long. But if you use the cardstock tie-back option, then it will last a little bit, a lot longer. I did give you guys plenty of room. So, like I said, you can purchase this. There's my tutorial club, $9.99, or you can purchase a bundle. Like I said, when National Scrapbook Day is over, this deal here will be going away completely. Okay, the National Scrapbook Day bundle will go away completely. You'll be able to purchase them separately. Okay, so go grab you guys' bundle. And so yeah, so you can have your cutting guide and everything. All right, if you guys happen to have any questions down below, please put them down there. I will try to answer any of your questions. Like I said, tomorrow at 4 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, I will be live right here with you guys making this album with you. And I will teach you how to make the box too. This will be first, and then we will make the box. Okay? And this is perfect for those 6x6 paper pads that you have laying around. I did have a kit that that you could purchase, but it's all sold out. So, yeah, I did have a kit, but not no more. It's sold out on me. All right, guys, give me thumbs up. Hit the notification button that, so you never miss out on any of my projects. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, please ask, and I will get to you. If you want to order this, go to scrappinitup.com with no G. Okay, guys? Okay, that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Talk to you girls later. And as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.